Was FTX hacked, or did Sam Bankman-Fried stole $470 million? That is what everyone is trying to figure out. This adds a fresh twist to a dramatic chain of events that began earlier this week when FTX experienced a rush on deposits and was unable to satisfy demand. Soon after the crash, FTX filed for bankruptcy, and its CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, announced his resignation. But as soon as they filed for bankruptcy, people started to notice something weird with their accounts. Reports started to surface of what seemed to be a string of unexplained transactions draining FTX wallets. ZachXBT, who is an on-chain forensics specialist, claimed that former FTX workers had verified to him that the receiving addresses were not FTX wallets. FTX quickly tweeted that it was conducting an investigation into unauthorized transactions flowing from its accounts. Ryne Miller, the general counsel for FTX's U.S. arm, said on Twitter that FTX has expedited the process of shifting its money to a new sort of storage in order to reduce harm upon spotting unlawful activities. But here's the issue. It's very unlikely that a hacker would have been able to take advantage of the private keys on both exchanges at the same time without having inside knowledge or being an insider, given FTX and FTX US are apparently independent organizations and were operated as such. Officials in the crypto industry began putting together the pieces of the puzzle in real time on Twitter. Nick Percoco, the chief security officer at Kraken, tweeted, "We know the identity of the user," when stories began to surface suggesting that someone engaged in the movement of cash had an account on Kraken. He obviously can't share the details with the public because of their terms of services, so we're gonna have to wait for a while. But as of right now, nobody knows what's happening. We are gonna have to wait and see if it was FTX moving their funds, or Sam trying to run away with the money, or hackers. There are also reports that the FTX app is plagued with spyware and should no longer be used. Reports are surfacing that anyone who downloads this update loses their funds, so keep an eye out for that as well.